there! I'm reviewing the Achiou Ski Mask, a fantastic winter accessory for both men and women. Designed as a Sherpa-lined hooded ski mask, it combines the functions of a hat, scarf, and neck warmer into one convenient piece. The soft Sherpa lining is incredibly warm and cozy, providing exceptional insulation even in freezing temperatures. The windproof design is perfect for outdoor activities like skiing, snowboarding, hiking, or simply braving harsh winter winds. The hood fits comfortably over the head, while the adjustable drawstring allows you to tighten it for a snug fit. The full coverage design ensures that your head, neck, and face are well protected from the elements. One of my favorite features is its versatility. You can wear it as a full balaclava, a hooded scarf, or just as a neck warmer depending on the weather conditions and your needs. The fabric is breathable and does not feel too heavy even during physical activities. Whether you are hitting the slopes or tackling a winter commute, this mask is an absolute must-have for staying warm and comfortable. Highly recommend it for anyone who needs reliable cold weather protection.